So we had a little mishap in the national park the other day with narrow roads and an oncoming car, and as you can see, mirror. So we ordered new mirrors, and it's my job to put them on. I probably just broke this.
Huh?
Probably just broke this.
It's fine. There's only 2 clips on that.
Yeah, I know, but that sounded broken.
We'll pull it straight out towards you. I forgot about the part of the brake.
I don't know what I'm doing.
I know.
Got it. Okay, so the new mirrors have an electrical harness that goes in for the turn signals, and so we might have to take the door panel off too. Not really sure about that yet though. So the bolts that hold the mirror on are over here, I guess. Don't forget to hold the mirror while you're taking the bolts out so it doesn't fall on the ground. Now what? Okay, so I have to take the door panel off in order to get to the harness for the power mirrors, and apparently there's another bolt I missed that's behind here. Sneaky. So I have to pop this panel out. Let's see if I can do it with my hands, because you know Steven could, so why can't I? Oh, ta-da! And then I gotta pop each one of these, each one of these out to get this off. And then there's a bolt here that I have to take off, and a bolt up in there, it's right here, that I have to take off. And then the door panel itself should lift right up. So I'm just out here filming by myself, so you won't be able to see it close up, so I was just trying to explain it. Now I have these little tabs to get them out, and if you can't get them, just get one of your plastics tools and kind of push on it and then pull it out. I'm gonna break a freaking nail down. Oops. You know, if that guy hadn't been driving in the middle of the road, I wouldn't have to do this. It wasn't about to let that guy push me into the ditch. My truck was bigger than his anyway. Y'all, I did it. Okay. Okay, let's see if I can get this on. Piece of cake. Okay, so put that there. Where is this other bolt? I think he lied. Anyway, Where's the wiring harness? Okay, the wiring harness is right here. I'm going to assume. That's a problem. Went all the way down the driveway. I literally can't. Alright, so I got the new mirror, but I don't want to risk damaging it, so I'm going to leave the plastics on it. Hopefully, if I can. Now I gotta thread this through while holding this heavy ass mirror. Pray for me.
You got a timer on the chicken in the oven?
Nope. Just when it looks done.
Okay.
I dropped a bolt. How this goes. Like a glove. Go get a new bolt.
Plug the harness in, right?
Yeah.
Look at you. I love it.
I might need you to come back and hold it.
I'll hold it for you.
I'm really wrenching on these, so I hope that's okay. Alright. Let's put this sneaky piece of whatever. No idea why that's there. This back in? Maybe. And little doodads. Now we can take the protective cover. Good, it's new. There you have it. Even a girl can change the mirror on an 02 F250. In case you ever have to do it before your boyfriend gets home and yells at you. Now let's just double check that everything in the door works. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Alright, so it's day 2 or whatever of this situation. And for redundancy's sake, I'm not going to film the passenger side because it's basically the same. But I am going to show you 2 things, one of which is the threading of the wiring harness from the mirror in through the door. I'm going to show you a close-up of that because it's pretty, I guess, it's worth the watch. And then I wanted to say that these wiring harnesses, if you can't remember which color order they go in, to not really worry about it because each one is a different size. Just kind of thread your bolts on. Just to hold it in place. You can use the new ones or the old ones, it does not really matter. And since I dropped one again, I'm going to use one of the new ones in here, hopefully. And the new ones are a different size, so that's fun. Okay, good enough. So there's a square hole on the other side that you thread the wiring harness through, and it comes out down here. And it has to come through the door and out this way. And if you get lucky, it's right here. But like yesterday, I had to take my plastics tools and dig around for it. Oh, it got lost. All right, you'll be able to see that then. Okay, as far as I know, that's it on the wiring harness. And then you can go ahead and attach your nuts for the mirror. Now the plastic on the other side is not really super tight, but as you start to tighten these in their like clockwise or counterclockwise pattern, it will start to suck in flush with the window. Or the door, I mean. Okay, I just wanted to talk about the tools that I used. So these little nifty hooks things are called plastics tools. And they're for taking plastics off mostly, you know, like dash panels, door panels, etc. This is another one. What I'll try to do is I'll try to link a set in the description below. And then these are the nuts that came with the mirror kit. There's an extra wiring harness in there. If I don't really know what it's for, but it has an extra hookup. This is a 7mm socket. These are for the door panel screws. This is a 10mm socket, and this one is for the new nuts, and the old nuts had the 11mm socket. And that's that. Comment down below if you'd like to see me do more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.